Hello, my name's Annie. I retired about a year ago, have gardened organically all my life, um, and that has spilled over into setting up various projects, horticultural projects, one of which was for special needs people and other people that are marginalised. And I think that what I really value is the fact that it's the inclusivity. So it's actually ensuring that everybody can benefit from gardening in various ways. It gives them autonomy over their own food. It gives value to other life forms, and my experience of implementing various horticultural projects has been that it's been absolutely transformative, not for everybody, but for a lot of people. It has literally been a life changer. What I'm hoping is that I can maybe influence some of the research look at well-being as well as the sort of the scientific side.